Here's the problem. You spend so much time and energy publishing videos, and yet you get so few views. If you're struggling to get any kind of views, if your channel is dying, stick around.
Ryan G. Johnson.
To grow on YouTube, stake your claim and amplify your message. And to really jumpstart your channel, check out my free YouTube Masterclass, link in the description. Check it out, 12 steps that will get you out of the funk, help you move forward and get the views, even if you've got a dying channel. Step number 1 is to focus best you can on publishing videos. In fact, I'm going to encourage you to double down and really commit to 3 to 6 months, publishing a minimum of 4 to 6 videos every month. When you do that, you'll gain momentum. You gotta have momentum to grow here on YouTube. Step number 2, actually stick to the goal. Commit, really commit to staying focused on YouTube. I dare you, 6 months. More important, listen, more important is that you strive to improve and you focus on the most important things. Here's what's really weird. Most YouTubers don't. And how can you ever get the results you're after if you don't focus on the right stuff? It's crazy, I know. Step number 3 is to stop. You gotta stop comparing your results with the results you see with other channels, other creators. Fact of the matter is, you don't know their experience. You don't know the skills they've obtained over the period of time they've been publishing videos. You can't just jump on YouTube and expect results. You've got to work at it, you've got to earn them. And here's what I guarantee, when you follow these steps, you will see your own results improve over time. You will get more views. You will get more subscribers. Keep moving forward. Stop comparing. Step number 4 is to identify just one channel that's doing something pretty similar to what you'd like to do. And then just every day, study the channel just a bit. What are they doing a little bit better than you? Maybe it's communicating, speaking on camera. Maybe it's their editing is superior. Maybe their lighting is dope. Find a channel, study the channel, and use that as a North Star to guide you. Step number 5, I mentioned this a little bit. You gotta focus your energy on the most important things. Now again, I mentioned that a minute ago. Here's the good news. I've got a list, a playlist that covers exactly that. You'll find a link to that playlist down in the description. Study the most important stuff and watch your results grow. Step number 6 is to focus and improve your video quality. Doesn't matter if you're screen recording, doesn't matter if you're using a GoPro or a $10,000 cinema camera. Focus on improving your video quality. Learn about cameras, settings, lighting. Try different lenses, try different focal lengths. Keep moving forward and strive to improve your skills. If you want the subs, you gotta gain the skills. Step number 7, if there was ever an easy way to get more views, it's to pay attention to keyword research. The more of a ninja you become with keywords, the more likely your videos will blow up. Even better, I've got a keyword research strategy that will help you crush it. It's coming up soon. Keep watching. Hey, number 8 is the most important thing, is you gotta strive to improve how you communicate on camera. There's a reason why actors sound so great on camera. There's a reason why news anchors don't slur their words. There's a reason why the best YouTubers communicate really clearly. Your job, think about this, doesn't matter if you're a gamer, a vlogger, your job is to make it easy for people to understand what you're talking about, and you want to practice the art of communication. That's your delivery. Step number 9, the dreaded stick to one niche. Here's why. When you stick to just one niche, viewers and subscribers will be more likely to binge watch your channel. Furthermore, you'll become more educated and you'll have more information to share over time. Early, you're not sure because you're really not in the niche, but over time you'll learn about new things, you'll have new ideas, and you'll be really excited to share that with your audience. Want more views? One niche. Number 10 is to create a new environment when you're filming, is to leverage the power of a new environment. Go outside. Find a new room to film in. The more you mix things up and try different things, the more likely you'll get different results. Number 11 comes from our pal Nick Nimmin. If you want extreme results, hundreds of thousands of subscribers, you gotta take extreme ownership. Nick mentioned a book called just that, Extreme Ownership. And the idea is simple, that you focus and you accept responsibility. If other people are doing it here on YouTube, you can too. When I started, my God, man, I started on a phone. Software update, iOS 14.7.1. Step number 12 is to stop focusing on the YouTube algorithm. This is what I mean. When you get started, and as you succeed, you will go through a path, a phase. You will check off certain boxes, and as you check off more of the boxes that I'm going to discuss, then you'll be more likely to drive crazy views. The thing is, early, you have to understand basically how the algorithm rewards videos. The more you understand the basic fundamentals of how YouTube works, the more likely you can craft a video to trigger the algorithm. But here's the problem. I see so many people, they keep stepping up and asking about the algorithm and this and that. And at some point, you're going to learn all the basic fundamentals. If you've ever heard about watch time and you understand that, if you understand about view duration, if you understand how CTR works, if you understand that you've got to create a compelling element, you got to compel people to click on your video, then basically you have the basics of how the algorithm rewards. And what you want to do is you want to graduate to the next level. Think of it as gaming. You got to move on to the next level in the game. And that is, you have to focus on how to trigger the algorithm, how to be compelling. You have to figure out how to improve your editing and your delivery. You have to focus on the stuff that will generate the results you're after. The algorithm is really just the scorecard. You have to focus on improving as a YouTuber. When you do that, big things. I mentioned keyword research. The video on the screen right now is uber powerful. Click and watch that video. When you do, you're gonna feed a poodle. I got 2 poodles and they're hungry. You dig?